Hey everyone, so we're going to tell you a little bit about our journey and just how this team and idea really spun out of a series of chance encounters. So a couple years ago, I started working on a project in Italy, and that's where I met Lorenzo. And he was the one who really inspired me to learn more about AI and machine learning, which at that point was really just a black box to me. And so we started on this journey together.
If you look around, this is the perfect time for computer vision to penetrate the consumer market. As an AI scientist living at the leading edge of a field that's changing faster than ever before, it is crucial to become sensible to existing problems that can be best solved with the latest code.
As a longtime golfer, I know just how important it is to continually work on all aspects of your game, but also how inaccessible quality coaching is for most people. When I heard Michelle pitch at Pitch to Match, I knew there was a great opportunity to merge our ideas and build an amazing product and team to solve this problem.